In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix devices and printers will not open or load error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate at the keyboard. Press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for services .msc. It is services as services.msc. Then click on OK to continue. Once you've clicked on it, in a few moments, you would be navigated to the window, which is services. Here, all you need to do is you need to navigate for Bluetooth service. Okay. So as you can see that the Bluetooth service is being composed of four Bluetooth service, actually three, sorry for that. We can see there Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support service, and the third one which is Bluetooth user support service. So here's the catch. You need to set the startup type in this three for automatic. So how we can do so, here make a right click, go with properties, and then set the startup type into automatic. Once you've set it, make sure that the service status is running. So click on start and it will running here and click on OK. Once you have set the first, please proceed to the second, make a right click, go with properties, and once you have opened this window, please click on this down arrow key, go with automatic, and then make sure that the service status is running. So start it and it will stays here, states here running. So click on apply and then OK. And then proceed to the third, do the same step, and that is to go with properties, go with automatic, and then start the service, and then wait until it would be done. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Okay. So once done, all you need to do is you need to close the window and then check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please proceed with Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed with devices. And here at the devices settings, you need to scroll down on the list. Okay, and you need to proceed with the related settings. And the last portion of that, you can see there are more devices and printer settings. So please click on it. And in a while, you would be able to see that the devices and printers is now opening this time. So you can see the devices as well as your printers that are being installed here in your Windows 11. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.